Hello guys, I'm Yash Khan from JMD Lingua. Today we have grammar section. Then the title of the topic is present indefinite tense. The recognition of this tense is ta hai, ti hai, te hai. Helping verb is do and does. Main verb work of first form. In simple condition, we do not use do and does. When we do not use do and does, then we use first form of the verb. With singular subject, when we use verb, then we use s or es, and with plural subject, when we use only verb की first form. So this is simple condition. We have some examples. वह हमें जानती है. She knows us. हम उनके साथ रहते हैं. We live with them. इन फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल वह हमें जानती है, ये सिंपल कंडीशन का सेंटेंस है. शी इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, सो आई हैव यूज्ड एस विद नो. बट इन अनदर एग्जाम्पल हम, वी इज द प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, सो आई हैव यूज्ड ओनली फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. सो गाइज, दिस इज द यूज ऑफ सिंपल. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव, negative interrogative and WH class. We use with these condition helping verb do and does. With singular subject we use does. With plural subject we use do. We have some examples. वह क्या कहना चाहती है? What does she want to say? क्या तुम उनसे मिलना चाहते हो? Do you want to meet them? हम उनसे बातें नहीं करते हैं. We do not talk to them. So guys, this is present indefinite tense. Thank you.